What's going on there, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video. This is going to be a short video, and it's pretty much going to be going over a new app called Clockface. And what this allows you to do is customize your clocks on your always on display and on your lock screen. As you can see right here, got a new clock right there. Let's see if I can do this again without it unlocking. As you can see right there, it shows your date, clock, and everything. And then on your lock screen, I have it to where it says the time. So it's a pretty cool app, really nice. I really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. I'll post a link in the description down below. Let me go ahead and just show you what all comes in the app. In order to set these clocks, you're going to want to go to lock screen and security, and then you're going to go to clock and face widgets, and then clock style. And as you can see right here, you got your always on display and your lock screen. So at the bottom, you're going to pretty much scroll all the way down to the end. You got all your clocks at the bottom. If you want to change your color, might as well do that now, because it won't show the color up here. As you can see right there, it shows the regular clock. It's not going to show the color, so change your color beforehand. And these are all the different types of clocks you got. You got digital, you got analog, a whole bunch of different types of digital clocks. Really nice. A whole bunch of different types. I really enjoy all of these. It's a perfect way to customize your screen, because they never really have enough clocks on the actual stock. And you also want to make sure you're running the latest version of the Samsung always on display, which I was, and you should be, because it automatically updates. So that is for the lock screen always on display. Do the same thing, scroll all the way down, and then it's going to show you all of the different types. And for this clock, you can do it to where it's to the side, the center, or over to the right hand side. I just go ahead and have mine set on over to the left, and then again it shows all your different types of clocks. You can click on that one, which sort of shows a moon. You got like a bicycle one, you got a really cool analog one, which looks really nice. I'm pretty sure it'll look really nice from the always on display. You got a whole bunch of different types of clocks. It's really cool. Whole bunch of analog ones. I think my favorite for the actual always on display has got to be this one. So you go want to hit apply, and then once you're done with everything, just go ahead and hit done. And as you can see right there, so the link in the description is going to take you on over to this website, Android Sage, and you're going to keep on scrolling. It's going to tell you about the app. Clockface is an add-on for Good Lock. You should, if you don't have Good Lock, it should work either way. It's not showing up in the Good Lock app, but if you want to download and install Good Lock, I post a video. I'll post a link to that video that shows you a little tutorial on how to install Good Lock, but I don't think you need it. It's mainly the always on display and the clock widgets. So you're going to want to scroll all the way down. It tells you about the app, Good Lock and all, and then it shows you some more previews right here. Download Good Lock add-on Clockface. And then what I did is I went ahead and clicked on the Google Drive one, and it's going to ask you Google Drive or Chrome. I just went ahead and clicked Drive, and then it's going to go ahead and download it. And then once it's done, it's going to ask if you want to install it. I'm installing an update because I've already installed it. And that is pretty much it. Really simple, really easy to use. Like I said, I'll post links in the description and a link to that video if you guys want to check out the Good Lock walkthrough as well. But really nice. I'm enjoying all the different types of clocks. I really like this one. And then for the lock screen, this one seems to be doing it for me right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is Clockface for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, S9, pretty much S8, Note 8, S8 Plus. As long as you're running Oreo, this should work for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Told you guys it was be a short video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little like button, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up if you didn't. That's fine, I don't care. And like I said, hit that little notification bell. That way you get notifications on the next video I upload. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.